Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies step by step. Begin by gathering ingredients and preheating the oven to 350 degrees F while lining a 9x13 pan. Melt butter and chocolate together gently to avoid seizing, then whisk in sugar and eggs until smooth. Fold in dry ingredients just until combined to keep brownies fudgy. Pour batter into the pan and bake until a toothpick shows moist crumbs for best texture. Start mixing by combining melted chocolate and butter, then whisk in eggs and sugar until smooth and slightly glossy. Use a rubber spatula to fold in flour and cocoa last, stopping as soon as streaks disappear to keep brownies tender. Scrape batter into the prepared pan and smooth the top for even baking. Bake at 350 degrees F until the edges set and a toothpick comes out with moist crumbs for fudgy results. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel and get more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup effortless, listens to voice control, and saves you time so you can focus on baking brownies. It has smart mapping and hands-off cleaning that fits a busy kitchen lifestyle. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Allow the brownies to cool completely in the pan on a wire rack to finish setting and develop flavor. If you want clean slices, chill the pan briefly before cutting with a warm knife. Serve squares plain or topped with nuts, sea salt, or a dusting of cocoa. Store leftover brownies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 4 days, or freeze slices for longer storage and enjoy later.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.